Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. Just standing outside the Dearborn Academy here in Dearborn, Michigan. Just got to speak here to the kindergarten through 8th graders today on diversity, kindness, and leadership. And it was just an awesome, amazing day. These kids got huge hearts. They want to start a club, at their school where they're trying to find people that need friends and make it a point every day during lunch, especially to go and sit with them and be their friends, help them see that they're all miracles, right? Like just the M that's on all of our palms. And we got the Dolphins here at the Academy, but just talking to a lot of the youth, they want to make a commitment to peace. They want to make a pledge that they're gonna be these true leaders that all of us are, because we all have that power to eventually even save lives with our words and our actions. So in this world that's hurting, I just encourage everyone to take heart that our youth, who are not just the future but are the present, are the now, are doing some big things and some great things. And sometimes even these small acts of love, though, can make a huge change. Martin Luther King, as it approaches his day next week here in January, said that the time is always right to do what's right. So think about that and make sure that we make the right choice to choose peace and choose love. Later. Peace.